Well, today's the 1-year anniversary of getting this New Yorker running, because I think it was around April 5th of 2008 when I worked in this thing for 3 days and finally got it fired up on the street in front of the dead guy's house. Still lots of frosty, sparkling frost in the back window. Definitely a cold start. So I commemorate this video to Eugene, the dead owner of the car. Let's see if his car will come alive, because you're certainly not going to. Rest in peace. All set, powered up. This will be definitely a wanker video because you gotta pump this thing. Oh, it hasn't been started since February, I guess. And that was definitely a cold start, snow start. Horrible buzzer. Pump, 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 pump. Try it without the door. There we go. Just can't see my footsie as well. Pump, pump, pump. Oh wow, only 2 tries. Sweet! Your car's alive, Eugene. Is your ghost in here? Oh. Soap's on too much. Yeah. That's good now. It's a good old 400. You could probably even take it for a drive. That's those gas-sucking fast idles those old 70s cars had. And that thing sat since May of '91 when I got her going last April 5th. Sweet. Ugh, ice is thick. Can you read that? Where the hell up there? Or wherever you are? Cool. Shut her down. Gas is too expensive. This ain't the 1990s or 1970s anymore. Yeah. Ugh. Done.